Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name is Adil. In today's video we are showing you around a brand new unregistered Toyota Yaris that we've upgraded with front parking sensors. So let's walk you through and go through exactly what we've done on the car. This client has come in through Toyota in Cambridge. So if you're after buying one of these, make sure you go check out the Cambridge branch. We do a lot of work with them. You can spec your car exactly how you want it. This client wanted front parking sensors, and that was one thing they were lacking from the car in terms of a spec, but not to worry, it's in safe hands and it's all being carried out. In terms of cosmetically on the front of the vehicle, what have we actually got here? We've got our 4 sensor system. Basically, you've got one sensor here as well as one sensor here. You'll see that they're completely color coded. One got into the black area here, then onto the color coded blue area, which gives you great parameter in terms of that scope of parking sensors. As you basically approach any obstacle or anything like that, you get an audible tone, which is really easy to understand and easy to use and helps you park the vehicle. But looks seamless in terms of cosmetically from here, but how is that actually done? What's involved is we actually remove the bumper completely, then make a 17mm hole, so that's how big the actual sensor is itself. 17mm hole, 4 holes across the bumper, allowing for those sensors to be mounted from behind, giving a really seamless flush look feel, but inside the vehicle, which will jump in and show you exactly how the system works. So inside the actual cabin, what's actually changed? What we've done is added in this little switch here, so when the vehicle is on or your ignition is on, basically got a really dull light on this parking sensor switch. Whenever you want your front parking sensors on, easy as that, you press the center of it, you get one beep, tells you your sensors on, and then audible tone as it goes to a constant tone as you approach the obstacle. What we also do on the system is a ProFit design, which involves no button and is fully automatic. So when you inquire, we can go through all of that with you. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I really hope you've enjoyed it, but also learned about the system that we've done on the brand new Toyota Yaris. If you're interested in something like this, you know exactly what to do. All of our details are in the description below. Go check out our website. Loads more videos are also live on our channel as well. But thank you so much for watching. Smash that subscribe button, like the video, share it with friends and family. On to next time.